asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from
How y'all been? It's been a little minute since I came out with another video, right? I just felt like I just had to take a break off of YouTube for just a little bit because everything was just so overwhelming. Kobe and Gigi and the celebrities getting into it. Oh my God, Gail, Snoop. I'm just like, fuck this. I'm just gonna take a little break off of social media. But let's go ahead and get into this freaking hair review, okay? I'm wanting to know the details on this certain beat that I have. Okay, going on. All right. Okay. Everything is going to be down in the description down below. You know how I do. It's going to take you actually straight to my Instagram. It's going to be more of like a IGTV upbeat fast makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But sis, let's go ahead and get into this hair. Can we get into this hair, please? Please. So I have partnered up with a company called Sunber hair, and they sent me the one of their custom units, I want to say, from off of their website. So when I received the hair, it came in this box, nice and fancy. I like it. I like it. Like the wig care instructions on the back. When I opened up the box, it basically had like the bag with the wig in it. Of course, it came with a wig cap inside, and it was wrapped around in a hairnet. And they also gave me, I think this is like an adjustable strap. I didn't even open this. Maybe I should. Okay, so this was in the packet. I have no idea. Okay. Well, yes, okay. This, never seen an adjustable strap that looks like this. This is actually really nice. I'm so used to like going by Walmart and actually like getting the adjustable band and just putting it on the wig, but this right here looks very professional. And I'm guessing like this is just supposed to hook all up to each other. You can like customize the adjustment in your unit. So I think that's pretty cool how they actually got this, and they actually got it with the hooks and stuff, so you can like take it off and adjust it however you know you want to. That's going to frame your head, so that's pretty neat. Okay, so which one do you want to hear first? Do you want to hear the pros first, or do you want to hear the cons? Let's go ahead and go into the cons first before we go into the pros, which is not a lot of cons, but it is something that do need to be addressed. Okay, so first con, shedding. I've never received a curly hair in so long with so much shedding. Jesus Christ. I understand curly hair does shed, because I mean, come on now. What curly hair doesn't shed? But when I received this hair in the package, it was like, I washed it. Oh yeah, by the way, this hair did not have no smell or no kind of chemical smell or no kind of no corn chip smell or anything like that. The hair was wonderful. Like the hair was soft as I was washing it, but I just noticed like as I was finger combing it, a lot of hair was coming out, so be mindful of that. The hair is still thick. Like I mean, the hair is still thick. It just fuck, it just sheds like yeah, so like this hair sheds like a lot. So I try not to like comb it as much. I have not straightened this hair. I don't want to, because you know I really do love this curl pattern, but I'm pretty sure if you straighten it and then you wet it, it will curl back up again. But yeah, just be mindful of that. The second con that I have, this lace up here, this lace, okay, is so transparent. When I tell you this lace has no color, it literally has no color. So be mindful when you order this unit. It's not going to be a dark shade of lace. It is going to be very transparent. So two things that I would recommend if you don't want to like run into that hassle: put some foundation on the lace, or you can order some lace tinting spray. They have tons on like lots of websites that you can order from. Love how natural the lace is. I love how their wigs come pre-plucked, so I did not have to tweeze any hair up here. All of this came as it was. I literally just took it out the box, cut the lace, added my baby hairs in here, and just glued the wig down. This hair is freaking flawless. Like everywhere I go, like on, like in public, or, if I post something on social media, the first question was, where did you get this hair? Where did you get this hair?
Where did you get this hair?
I love how soft this hair is. You can definitely tell this is some grade A virgin hair for sure, because it is mad soft. It's very manageable. Like, it's just beautiful. Like, I love it. I love it a lot. I love how it looks very natural. I love the cap construction. It comes with like 4. It comes with like 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. The adjustable straps in the wig does not, they don't come out. They're actually just sewn up in there, which I love the fact that they actually put an adjustable band, an adjustable strap in the package already, just in case if the wig is too small or too big for your head. You can actually customize it however you want to. Products that I put in it, I just give me like it's actually a bottle of water. I needed a bottle to spray the hair with, and I would just like wet it like this, just so it can keep that moisture. Oh, and then when the hair dries, it's super pretty when it dries, because it's like curly and just mad big, and it's beautiful. And another thing that I put in this unit is a lot of body hair mousse. I'm definitely running low, so I need to get some more, but I love it because it tames frizz and it's very long lasting. And I done had my hair, this unit, washed and styled within like a few hours before I started filming, and it's already like dry. Well, it's a little damp right here because I just sprayed it with water, but I love the fact how like it just dries so nicely, and it's still soft, and the curls is still in good condition. When you wash it, it's very manageable. I'm gonna do a little side profile, and let me just show you the front. So like, this is the lace. Yeah, as you can see, yes, I did have to put like makeup and stuff in it, and that's what I'm saying, like, it's very transparent. Okay, so another pro about this unit, the shipping was mad fast. I forgot what day I forgot what day that I had requested for this unit, but I'll say about like 2-3 days I ended up getting this unit within the mail, so it really did not take me long to get my order. So that is wonderful. So that is an A+ for sure. A+ for sure is just the texture. I love the curl pattern, how soft it is. I love how it comes pre-plucked. This is very natural. I love the fact that it is very easy for me to glue down my wig, to brush, my baby hairs and stuff, and to just, it's a quick and easy hairstyle. Like, it's a quick, easy out the house unit. Like, you just put your adjustable straps in the wig, or you can glue it down. You can just put water, moisturize it, put some mousse in it, let it air dry. Girl, you're out the door. The wig is already pretty. It literally looks like this when it comes out the pack. I would just recommend, if you just like wash it first. I always wash my human hair wigs before I, just plop them on. I would, like co-wash it, and I will put like some mousse in it, let it air dry, and it literally looks like this. When I was washing this hair, the water was not turning, so that's good. Minus the shedding and the color of the lace, this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. It's affordable, and I will also have a code down in the description below as well that you can use, that where you can save some extra money when you purchase this unit. And I will have the link of the unit down in the description below as well. Overall, with this whole review, would I recommend this hair? Yes, I would. I think this hair has a lot of potential. From a scale from 1 through 10, I would literally give this unit an 8.5. I really would, because like, it's so beautiful. and it's very easy to manage, and I love the curls. I love the fact that it comes pre-plucked, so that takes way less time of me, you know, just having to always customize. I really wish they had like an option of like of what color lace that you will prefer, like on the website. But overall, 8.5 off the scale. Hair definitely has potential. Very affordable, fast shipping, very soft. It's beautiful. It's pretty much like a slap on and go. You can like put in your adjustable straps or you can glue it down. And after that, you're out the door. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If y'all guys have any other requests, please let me know. If y'all still want me to do ranting videos or makeup tutorials like I always do, or doing some hauls, just put down some recommendations in the comment section. Everything about this hair, and including the beat for this video, will also be down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Yeah, so until next time, I will see you dolls later. Bye.